Hello, this is Frank with Simply Brands. Today we are showcasing our 48 gig HDMI-MPO Dongle Extender Kit. Now this is a modular system to extend HDMI signals to great distances up to 300 meters or 1,000 feet, so a long way. Utilizing ultra bendable easy fiber cabling, this is also a cost-effective solution. In terms of the tech specs, this supports HDMI version 2.1, which includes up to 8K UHD video resolution, eARC for any audio return channel components, HDR10 Plus, high frame rate, HDCP 2.3, and for elevated audio, DTS HD and Dolby Atmos. Now, we also provide a complete kit including two HDMI-MPO dongles to convert the fiber into HDMI and back into fiber again. Also included are two MPO protectors, two 5-volt power cords providing power at both ends, a pulling capsule to protect the cabling and connectors when pulling through conduit, and an instruction manual. Key features include the snug tight HDMI plug for a secure connection into any HDMI port, thinner, lighter, and more flexible plug-and-play installation, high EMI protection to protect from any electrical, and external power for high compatibility. Now, you can also utilize many different lengths, so this is a modular system as mentioned. The available lengths include 15, 25, 50, 100, 200, and 300 feet. Longer lengths may be available to order. Let's talk about some add-on accessories to this solution. We also provide jumper cables in different lengths, including 3 feet, 6 feet, 15 feet, and 50 feet, an MPO coupler, an MPO keystone jack for any in-wall applications, and an MPO waterproof coupler for any outdoor applications. Now let's talk about the installation examples. One very simple example is a direct point-to-point connection where we have our source on the right-hand side, our display on the left-hand side, and simply we have our adapters on each end with our channel cable. Another example is utilizing this in a rack connection with an unloaded patch panel utilizing our keystone jacks. Here you have your patch panel in the middle. We're also utilizing a jumper cable and then our channel cable. Again, you can utilize any distance or length. Let's talk about the keystone connection using wall plates. So here is an example where we're utilizing, again, our keystones with wall plates and then our jumper cables at both ends. Last but not least is a coupler connection, combining different channel cables together along with our jumper cables at each end. Again, each one of these applications, power is required on both ends. For more information on this solution as well as our other Simply AV products, please visit us at simplybrands.com.